In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Asana in just 5 minutes. If you've been considering using this powerful project management tool to streamline your workflow, you're in the right place. So let's dive in and get Asana up and running on your device. To begin with, open up your preferred web browser. This can be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you normally use. Next, head over to the Asana website by typing asana.com in the address bar and hitting enter. The website will load, bringing you to the homepage where you'll find plenty of information about the platform and how it can make team collaboration more effective. Once on the Asana homepage, look for the download options available, specifically the download link for the Asana app. You might see options tailored for different devices like Windows, Mac, iPhone, or iPad. Choose the one that best suits your device. You'll then be guided to the download page. On this page, you should find the prompt to download now. Click on this button and your download should begin shortly. Depending on your internet speed, this could take just a few moments. While waiting, it might be helpful to ensure your device has enough space and meets system requirements for the installation. With the download complete, the next step involves following the on-screen instructions to install the Asana app on your device. The installation process is typically straightforward. Just follow the prompts and within a few clicks you will have successfully installed Asana. An alternate method to integrate Asana into your workspace involves using Google Chrome's capabilities. Begin by selecting the Google Apps icon, which is usually located in the top right corner of your Chrome browser. From here, head over to the Chrome Web Store. In the Chrome Web Store, you'll want to search for the Asana extension. The search should lead you directly to the Asana extension page. Here, click on the Add to Chrome button, which initiates the extension installation. A pop-up will ask for confirmation, and you should click on Add Extension. Once added, you can enhance your Chrome browser's functionality with Asana by pinning the extension. This can be done easily by clicking on the puzzle piece icon, locating the Asana extension, and selecting the pin option, ensuring it's always within easy reach. Alternatively, for quicker access, you might consider creating a desktop shortcut for Asana. And there you have it. Whether through the app or the browser extension, you're now set to enjoy the full benefits of Asana. With these tools at your fingertips, collaborating, organizing your projects, and managing tasks just got a whole lot more efficient. Thank you for watching and enjoy working with Asana.